bowling, yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then two, I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams.